I operate D-Lux window coverings, and we design, install, and fabricate window coverings and soft treatments for residential clients and small business owners. Before Ring Ring, we'd never worked with a marketing company. What impressed me about Ring Ring as a company was they specialized in my industry, window coverings. Secondly, we were very impressed with the amount of time they took to analyze our presence online as well as our competitors' presence online. What they did for us was revamp our online presence, incorporate improvements into our website, and within weeks, our phone started ringing. In looking at our numbers, after 3 months, we'd already done 2/3 of last year's sales. The support we received from Ring Ring was amazing. We had weekly reports, they held my hand, they took over website improvements, and the greatest thing was I didn't have to do it anymore. I trusted them and they took care of everything for me. Before we signed up for Ring Ring, I was this close to signing with the local newspaper, but I am so glad we didn't do that and we signed with Ring Ring. I really can't see our business working without them now.